Hello, my name is Connor Solorzano, the president of the Engineering Club. I am really excited to announce that we are going to be starting a project, a big project. This one is going to be ambitious. This project is going to take place across multiple semesters and across multiple different clubs, the Engineering Club and the Computer Science Club. This project is going to be known as Project ARCUS. So what exactly is Project ARCUS? Project ARCUS starts with this. This is a DIY 3D printable robot arm designed by ARCUS Robotics. Now, originally, I was just going to build this as a personal project. However, at my last club meeting, when I introduced this project to my club, it was so popular that there was a unanimous vote held to build this project as a club. And doing this project as a club opens up a whole new world of possibilities. So there are two different versions of the robot arm that are available to build. There is the open loop version, which is very simple to code and simple to wire up, but it isn't as functional as the other version, the closed loop version. The closed loop has a whole lot of different kinds of features and is faster, more reliable, and can lift more weight than the open loop version. However, it is a lot more difficult to wire and a lot more difficult to program. Project ARCUS is going to take place across 4 stages. Stage 1. The Engineering Club is going to assemble the open loop version of the robot arm. As you can see, some of the parts for it are already printing out right behind me here. I have this whole gigantic bin here, all full of all the different components that are going to be needed to build the open loop version. This open loop version is going to be known as ARCUS Mark 1. When the Engineering Club has finished assembling ARCUS Mark 1, it's then going to be sent off to the Computer Science Club to be programmed to be able to accomplish various tasks. While the Computer Science Club is programming ARCUS Mark 1, the Engineering Club is going to begin assembling ARCUS Mark 2, which will start stage 2 of Project ARCUS. We are going to be building a second robot arm. This time we are going to be using stronger 3D printing materials and also building the closed loop version of the design, which uses different kinds of electronic components. The goal with ARCUS Mark 2 is going to be to make it faster, stronger, and smarter than ARCUS Mark 1. When ARCUS Mark 2 is finished being assembled, that is then going to be sent off to the Computer Science Club to program the closed loop version, which is going to be much more challenging than the open loop version, but will be able to accomplish tasks that Mark 1 could never accomplish. If they are successful, then stage 3 of the project can begin. In stage 3 of the project, the Engineering Club is going to design, using SolidWorks from scratch, a rail system that the robot arms can be mounted to in order to move linearly back and forth. If this is successful, then finally, stage 4 of the project can begin. In stage 4 of the project, both robot arms are going to be programmed with the linear rails in mind to be able to accomplish various tasks. If the project goes according to plan, then we may also be able to have ARCUS Mark 1 and Mark 2 compete against each other in games. This is not going to be an easy project. This is going to be a long project that I expect will last across multiple semesters. But if we can successfully complete Project ARCUS, which I believe that we can, I think it is going to be one of the most impressive projects that any club in American River College has accomplished. I'm ready to get started. I hope you are too.